Ito po, pakinggan natin. Hindi nakalusot dito si Harry Roque kay Congressman Luis Tron ng Batangas. At pag ito po inyong pinakinggan, makakadagdag ng kaalaman kung ano ang trabaho ng mambabatas at ano ang trabaho ng isang abogado. Okay? Lutang-lutang dito ang katotohanan eh. Tingnan nyo rito.
Legal expertise. However, Attorney Roque, this is one of the occasions when my knowledge in law became gray. So I wish to ask once more for the record. With all due respect, kayo po ba ay abogado ng Lucky South 99?
Hindi po. Wala po akong attorney-client relationship sa kahit sino na shareholder or officer ng Lucky Star.
From that answer of Attorney Roque, Mr. Chair, I wish to share to the committee the case of Eusebio Sison versus Attorney Lourdes Dumlao. This is AC number 11959, April 28, 2021. If I may quote, a lawyer-client relationship is established when lawyers consistently manifest to a person consulting them that they would provide legal representation or assistance, regardless of the close ties between the parties or the lack of written contract or the non-payment of legal fees. It is very clear, Mr. Chair, that from the definition of a lawyer-client relationship, kahit walang kontrata, kahit walang payment of legal fees, the moment the client starts seeking advice and the lawyer starts giving advice, a client-attorney relationship is created. Can we be enlightened on this, Mr. Chair, from Attorney Roque?
Attorney Roque, you are now recognized.
Mr. Chair, tama po yun. Ang problema, wala pong kahit anong konsulta na nangyari sa panig ko at sa kahit kanino sa panig po ng Lucky South. Kaya miski wala pong bayad, wala pong kontrata, wala rin po kaming komunikasyon. Dahil ang komunikasyon ko po, lahat po yan ay kay Ong lamang.
I understand, Mr. Chair, that the statement of Attorney Roque, he was never consulted by Lucky South 99. But he has been repeating a while ago that Cassandra Leong is the representative of Lucky South 99.
Yari.
Is it not that the consultations made by Representative Ong with Attorney Roque, the consultations as well that was made by Lucky South 99 with Attorney Roque, Mr. Chair?
Di ba?
Mr. Chair, gaya na aking sinabi po kanina, ang aking attorney-client relationship ay kay Cassandra Ong at kay Whirlwind. Dahil sila po ay umakto bilang ahente ng Lucky South. Pero hindi ko po naging kliyente ang Lucky South. Para po siguro malinaw, it is an instance where both Whirlwind and Lucky South will benefit kung magtutuloy ang negosyo ng Lucky South. Kasi kung wala naman po Lucky South, useless yung pinatayong premises ng Whirlwind. At kung wala naman ng Whirlwind, wala ring uupahan ang Lucky South. Pero pagdating po sa attorney-client relationship, dapat meron man lang komunikasyon sa panig ng abogado at ng kliyente, whether or not there is a written agreement, whether or not there is bayad. Pero wala po talagang ganon dahil limited lang ako kay Ong.
Yeah. Mr. Chair, I just wish to remind our resource speaker that I think there were 3 members of the committee who have been delving on this question, and repeatedly Attorney Roque stated that he is lawyering for Cassandra Ong. Cassandra Ong is the representative of Lucky South 99. And it is really hard to conceive how he can separate himself from Lucky South 99 if his client is representing no less than Lucky South 99. Lucky South is not a natural person. It is a juridical person. The only way to talk with a lawyer is through a representative, and that is Cassandra Ong. If I may add, Mr. Chair, under Section 3 of Canon 3, lawyer-client relationship. A lawyer-client relationship, yes, Attorney Roque is correct, the highest fiduciary character. As a trust relation, it is essential that the engagement is founded on the confidence reposed by the client on the lawyer. Therefore, a lawyer-client relationship shall arise when the client consciously, voluntarily, and in good faith vests a lawyer with a client's confidence for the purpose of rendering legal services such as providing legal advice, representation, and the lawyer, whether expressly or impliedly, agrees to render such services. There are two elements, Mr. Chair. The first element is that the client solicits advice and service of the lawyer. And the second element, the lawyer renders service and advice to the client. I think in the given situation, both were fulfilled. There is Cassandra Ong, or there was Cassandra Ong, representing the juridical person Lucky South 99, who solicited the advice, the service of Attorney Harry Roque. And Attorney Harry Roque physically accompanied Cassandra Ong to PAGCOR.
Yes.
A manifestation of his act of rendering service and
2023.
advice to his client. I humbly submit, Mr. Chair, that I think there are sufficient legal provisions to establish that a lawyer-client relationship was indeed created with Lucky South 99, Mr. Chair.
Yun. Yari.
You want to reply on that, former Secretary Roque?
Mr. Chair, I can only say that as a lawyer, I have a different opinion. I acknowledge that there is lawyer-client relationship between me and Cassie Ong as representative of Whirlwind.
Ayan, naging opinion na lang. Kahit na malinaw na malinaw, nahuli ni Congressman Luistro ng 2nd District ng Lawigan ng Batangas ang na-establish ang relasyon ni Harry Roque sa mga POGO operation. Ayan galing. Bagong-bagong congressman yan. Ngayon lang po yan naging congressman ng 19th Congress. Pero talagang lutang yung kanyang pagiging abogada at yung ingay ni Harry Roque at tungkol sa isyong ito nag-iba ang tunog, nag-iba ang dating sa public hearing ng Committee on Public Order and Safety ni Congressman Fernandez at yung iba pang mga komite. Nako, sana po nakatulong ako sa pagbibigay ng ganyang klaseng impormasyon at mababasa at natinig naman ninyo sino ang kapanipaniwala, si Congressman Luistro o si Harry Roque. Anong na-establish ni Congressman Luistro dyan sa komite at pagtatanong tungkol dyan sa POGO. Alam nyo, nakatutok tayo sa mga public hearing, kaya ating naipapaliwanag ang mga ganitong klaseng mga usapin. Wala namang personalan dito. Ang mahalaga kayo na nanonood, subscriber, followers at viewers dito nga po sa aking mga channel, Mike Abby Opinions at dito sa MA Pinoy TV, para sa inyo makadagdag kaalaman. Mas matalino kayo, nagtutulungan lang tayo. Paki-like lang po ninyo ang aking mga video.